Good morning, everybody. Welcome to this new episode of the Van Build. This is Bo. Today, it's been a week that I spent time on working on the battery system, our power system. Pretty much, I'm 95% done with that one. Just need to create the control board, and yeah, it took a little bit of time because now, each day I have really short time to work on it. I even work on it at night time. Gotta put up some lights inside to work on it, and with the wires and stuff. And also we came, the wire lug that was ordered, it was the wrong size, so I needed to order the right size. So yeah, the owner he ordered the two gauge wires, which the wires that we are using is the 2/0, so it's a lot different, that one. And then I ran out of the wire insulator, and use the black one on the red, but should be fine. I did order, I used 1 or 2, and then I ordered the right one. These insulators, they come, when you shrink, they have the glue inside, so it's bond really strong. So yeah, waited for that also. Everything's here. 95% done. Today I'm going to focus on this side of the wall panel. There's 5 more panels to go. Last night picked up from Home Depot, still in the van over there, and that's what I'm trying to finish today. So beautiful day. Hopefully, no interruptions besides helicopter. All right, let's get the work done. Oh yeah, beautiful, pretty. Okay, I am done with framing with this window here. Look at this. Okay, I bought additional redwood here to match the frame on the other side. But on this one, you notice I did not staple because I meant it to be removable, just in case we need to fix the charger and stuff, the USB charger. And yes, completely removable on this one. And I don't put that many screws either, so it doesn't look like crowded. And also on this, the top part here, I make it a little bit higher than the inside here, as far as the frame, the trimming, because I want it to be to have a little lip, so I can, when you put the phone and stuff, it stays, it doesn't fall off. So yep, it's like 1/4 of an inch, so it's perfect. There you can put anything up here without falling off. Well, you guys, the bad news is it's already dark. Yep, we worked all day trying to get all the last windows and the walls done. So that's a good news. It's done. Now I tested all the connections of the LEDs to make sure everything's working, and while we have the light, we're gonna go ahead apply the clear coat tonight, so we can leave it overnight, and tomorrow we can do anything with the wall if we have to, but at least we can leave it overnight because it's oil based clear coat. It's gonna be nice. and it takes more time to dry out. So we're gonna go ahead and finish that tonight. Okay, the coat we are using is the urethane. It's called polyurethane superior UV protection, mold and mildew resistant, and it seals out water. So even though it's like it's humid, it's moisture in here, it protects the wood and protects it from the sun, from changing the color. Clear coat, this is oil based, so yeah, it takes longer to dry, but it's gonna look good. The longer it is, the nicer the wood will look. Look at this, it already brings out the real wood color. I am working on creating the control board. We have our fuse box here, DC fuse box here. Everything else connected to the fuse box, and then the control panel. That has everything in it, even though the 110 plug here as well. And this time I'm gonna paint that control board so that we can have some color in here. You know, because it's all wood here, we want to have something like more appealing. Though, so the control board is something that, you know, brings up the whole setup here. You know, it's more eye-catching. So it's gonna be color. While I'm waiting for that to be dried, I'm going to go ahead and install these LED. It's only just a plug-in, and one light bar here, and then the garnish for the fan. So let's go ahead and work on that right now. These are 3 watts, 2.5 inch with 100% housing, aluminum housing, and very strong clip here, spring, you can see, and it's very easy to install, dimmable, and they're very bright. As you can see, last night we worked off this, and look at this. That's how strong it is. Guys, I want to point out about the Max Air fan. You have 2 wires, the black and the white wire. You know, usually you're using red for positive, black for negative. As for the Max Air fan, the white one is the negative, okay? White is the negative, black is the positive. And it also marked right here, positive. So if you connect it wrong, it won't work, of course. Also, the garnish comes with universal depth. So I think it's about 6 inches depth. Usually you have to cut to fit. Okay, so alright, first you insert it like that to see how much space you have left here, or gap, and then just measure that gap. Okay, so I have 1.25 inches. So that's what I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna cut out the other end, 1.25 inches out. We're just gonna measure 1.25 inches and then cut it. You can use jigsaw, just light metal wood cutting. Alright, another long day over here, guys. Almost done. Let's see, there's supposed to be the dimmable. Oh yeah, here we go. Beautiful dimmable LED. I'm working on the shower part and almost done, and now I'm starting to work on some framing, and just want to quick mention to you again on this aluminum that I'm using. It's a 1-inch aluminum extrusion. I ordered these from tnuts.com. I'm going to list that website in the description below. Please help me use this website. I'm the affiliate to this website, and they give me a really small commission every time you order. And also want to explain to you that aluminum overall is expensive, and this one I have shopped around comparing to other local vendors here. A 8-inch aluminum, they run for up to $42 per stick. And this website is at this is 94 inches. It's about $22. Okay, so it's way cheaper than the locals here, except you're paying for a higher shipping cost. But even though you pay for the shipping cost, and it's still cheaper than other places around here. You can check it out yourself. And tip for shipping, for ordering, I order them in 94 inches, so I leave a couple inches for the packaging, because anything over 96 inches UPS will charge you a lot more. So anything less than 96 inches, it will be the regular charging price, and it's still, you know, at least you save some money right there by ordering only 94 inches and leave a couple inches for the packing. So okay, and this video ends right here. I will see you next video. Hope you really enjoy this video. Everything comes out along so well, and you should see the shower, how it comes out in the next video. This is Bo. See you next time. Bye bye.